Here we are over in Stafford this morning on a grade 2 listed building. Here, he didn't want his Starlink in sight as it is a grade 2 building. So we've crawled out of that little window there. Fit a 12x12 galvanised bracket on his back wall here. Cannot be seen from anywhere, nice and tucked away. We've put a 3-foot mast on it just to get above that roof line. Our very own pole adapter. Nice clear line of sight. Wider Cat 6 cable down, along and through. This is Aaron for Space Internet Solutions. So on the other side of that wall is where we've fitted the Starlink. We've come out of that little gap there. Tie wrap behind that downspout. Along behind that roof, down the edge. Right along the guttering, well, above the guttering. Down in this corner with his power cable. And a nice tidy finish through into his office. Like I say, grade 2 listed building, so he wanted as least as possible on show. And I think we've done a pretty good job of doing that. This is Aaron, Space Internet Solutions.